It feels like a second home here, really. As soon as you come in and you get sort of introduced to everyone in the space itself, you already sort of feel really welcomed and at home by everyone.
You're free to express yourself and be how you are.
This is a great place to come and actually decide what you want to do.
I think it's open and engaging. We try very hard to make sure that all of the students understand that the environments are there for learning.
We really try and create a family feel here, and they feel safe so they can explore different avenues and then eventually be the people they want to be. It's just buzzing right now.
I think when I came here, I enjoyed making things, and this course gave me direction and focus.
I think it's our facilities. We have absolutely fantastic facilities here.
You get like different teachers which specialise in different things, which is really helpful.
24/7 support throughout coursework.
We strive to give every young person the opportunity to open their minds to the possibilities of working in ways which they may not have thought of.
What makes us different, I believe, is our readiness to engage with industry.
GE Aviation Wales, British Airways and Transport for Wales.
Ford have been coming here, Nissan.
We've had 2 of our students go to work in CERN.
We got a very close link to the Welsh national team.
Doctor Who, students working with the Welsh National Opera.
We have ties with Royal Welsh College in Music and Drama, which is fantastic. We try and give them a lot of different opportunities that they can explore.
They really care about your future, not just your time whilst you're here.
They realise that what they are being taught is what industry are doing.
And it's reciprocated to come from industry back into education.
If it's a true passion and it's something you really enjoy doing, there's always further to go with it. And the support my students now get is second to none.
We can have those conversations with the college and bring learning into the apprenticeship scheme. Prepare your learners for hitting the ground running and really making a difference to your organisation.
It's a two-way communication built on trust, honesty and transparency.
It really makes our students sit up and take notice of their own development whilst they're with us.
It seems scary, but it's a lot of fun. Simple as that.
Just go for it really, because I didn't think that I'd be able to be sat here now doing the job that I'm doing.
I really try to push my students, the idea of where they want to go and raising the bars for themselves.
They genuinely care about you and your craft and your ambitions and every single individual, and you can't get that from anyone else.
The standout thing is we are the only FE college in Wales that provides the training that we do in the rail.
It's amazing to see like their progression. They're completely different people.
Forge these relationships, be part of the community where we work.
Whether you're a learner, a business or from our community, we want to help make you more successful.
You do see quite a dramatic change.
Go for it, and I think you'll thoroughly enjoy it when you get here.
I'll often see people who have done really, really well for themselves and are now very, very successful in their own careers, and their starting point was Coleg y Cymoedd.